Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, Brunswick County, North Carolina. Serving Shallotte, Ocean Isles Beach, Sunset Beach, Calabash, Holden Beach, Ocean Isles, Long Beach, Caswell Beach, Oak Island, all of Brunswick County. We work everywhere. It's a tear off. This is Sugar Sand Seatrails tear off. Chimney. Come off good, huh? Good tear off here. Sir, it come off really nice. Sir. I put this on the internet. Alright, quick walk around the job. How's it going, Mr. Bob? It's hot, ain't it?
It's a hot one out here, buddy.
Alright. They're felting their end, boys. Shoo! It's too hot. Let's go home. Can't stand it. We had a felt? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, anytime this time of year, you never know. You know about what's gonna happen tonight.
I got him.
Good.
Poor little guy. Let's go.
He's a little tiny thing, isn't he? Mr.Kish.
Before he runs back in again.
He was trying to get in the AC, that's all. He was just trying to get cool.
That's not a spider.
I'll have those in New Jersey. Where country you from? Belmont?
Tore this off today.
Yeah, I've been down here. My dad was born down here. We got 7.5 acres on the river.
Tore it all off. Felt it in, dried it up. It's ready for tomorrow. Ready for tomorrow. Come back here about 7:30 in the morning, start slamming shingles. We'll have this thing done tomorrow afternoon. Hopefully it'll be cooler tomorrow. Alright. It's Thursday. August 8th. Freaking hotter than hell. Not quite as hot as yesterday, but it's a blazing North Carolina day. Working on putting these shingles back on. You got it going on. Looking good, buddy. Got it going on. Looks good. Right along. Is it blazing hot out here or what, Bob?
Yes, sir.
Blazing.
Blazing, buddy. Over 100.
Over 100, well over.
What is it? Second.
Want to make sure you're doing it right. And I can prove it too. Just don't talk. I'm just kidding. Just don't talk. I don't want anybody to hear your voice on here.
What do you want me to
Yeah,
nail?
nail that right there. That'd be perfect. That's where I'm going to sit. Put a little bit more in the shade, will you? Freaking hot out here. Look at this guy. Rock and roller. Dead in the nail line, by God. There, I like it. Got them going all kind of ways today. Rocking, rolling. Not letting anything stop us, including the heat. All right. Looking good. Yeah, we can finish that. If you want to.
Yeah.
Rock and rolling. Huh? I know, I like the color. I like the color.
Did they start anything on the back? Yeah.
Just a little bit. Capping. That's great cap line. Good. Getting there.
What the hell are you doing, man?
None of your business. Yeah. Look at that thing, Bob. Turned out great, man. Another Seatrail Sugar Sands house. Frank Kish. Mr. and Mrs. Kish. Thanks for letting us at Drew's Home Repair come out and take care of your roofing. Alright, finished deal. We are finished, thank God, because it's roasting out here. Good God, it's roasting. Nice looking job. I love it. Yes. Yep. You got a cock gun? Cock gun? Black cock? All right, Mr. Kish, you'll be online. Frank, I'm over here. You'll be online tonight, Frank. Huh? I'm up on the roof. Oh. We'll have you online tonight. Mr. Kish, the owner, will you like it? Yeah. You like it? Good. Thank you.